Bonanza over the gravel pit. Start your descent now. Turn base over the numbers. Runway 27, clear to land on the green dot.
Red and white Conquest, 2 mile left base 27.
Red and white Conquest. Come straight to the numbers. Runway 27, runway 27, clear to land on the green dot.
Straight to you, green dot.
Tower Conquest 425 Tango, we have the other Conquest on our left here on that base.
5 Whiskey Tango, roger, you're going to follow him, runway 27, clear to land.
Okay, we'll clear to land.
Over the water tower, turn your base now. Turn your base now over the water tower, runway 27, yard, clear to land. Nice job on the green dot. Turn right in the grass, all the flagmen. Welcome to the show.